Alright guys, we got a clean 1986 Chevy Caprice. D-body guys, this the one. She has the stock 305 cubic inch 5-liter V8. She's backed by a 4-speed automatic. In my opinion, the paint is a solid 7. From 5 feet away, she's a 10. Frame and floor pans are solid. Lower doors are solid. Interior's in good condition. Driver side frame and floor pans. Passenger side. She has some minor surface. Take you 5 minutes to knock it down with a wire brush and treat it. She's nice and solid. Checking out the jambs in the lower doors. Deck lid. Trunk nice and clean. Interior's in good condition. She got power windows, power locks. Seats nice and clean. Headliner good. Back seat nice and clean also. Package tray. Mileage reached just under 59,000. Upper dash. Lower. The engine bay is nice and clean. She has the stock 305 cubic inch 5-liter V8. She's backed by a 4-speed automatic. Power brakes, AC, power steering. Let's start her up. Fire right up. Y'all make sure y'all go and visit rollermuseums.com right now. We got over 100 detailed photos. We have financing available. It's one sweet ride, guys. Don't miss out on her. Thank y'all for watching, and y'all have a good one.